Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Welcome to AI Camp Launch Week. Yay! we're,
Yay!
we're here to have some fun and learn more about AI Camp, joined by Shreya and Nishchit from AI Camp. How are you both doing today?
Yeah,
Absolutely fine. Today is the second day, and the feature is we are going to launch right now is the most favorite feature of mine, and I was waiting myself to try it out, and very happy to launch for our audience.
Very nice. Shreya, how are you doing? You
yeah,
excited?
yeah, super excited because this feature, I think 20, 30 people have personally messaged me for this feature, and I'm super excited. Yeah, today.
And the feature is the AI assistant, which I guess
Absolutely.
a lot of people need some AI assistance. So
Yes.
that's why we have this feature. I'm excited to check it out as well. It's similar to custom GPTs, or how is it different than just using the custom GPTs? I guess if you want to go into that first.
Yes, absolutely. It's similar to custom GPT. So when you think about a chat GPT, so they have the GPTs name of this feature. While we are the AI camp, so we name it AI assistant, a very generalized name, so everyone can understand, techie and non-techie both people.
Oh, very nice. Cool. And you want to show us a little demo today, how it works, or did you want to do anything, a brief introduction?
Yes, yes. So first of all, what is AI assistant? So let me just explain in a layman's term as much as I can.
So I understand.
Okay, so AI assistant has in AI camp specifically, there will be two main advantages of having the AI assistant. First of all, what is AI assistant? So AI assistant is predefined, context aware bot, you can say, which knows already some certain of context. You can give them and your personal instructions, whatever the way you would like to receive the response from them. So first is thing that you can provide the basic instruction to them. The second part will be, it's not available yet, but we are working on that. So it will be something like you can connect your assistant to your internal data sources like a Notion pages, like a GitHub repos, or maybe a custom PDF file or Excel file. So when you ask something, so that assistant will understand your prompt and will try to find out the answers from the connected data sources. So this part will be coming soon in the future, very near future, couple of weeks you can say. But today we are going to launch the basic assistant feature, which accept your customer instructions, and based on that, it will behave when your team members is going to ask something to that assistant. So let's share the screen to demonstrate how it works in AI Camp. So cool. This is the dashboard of AI Camp. When you get login, you will see like this. Uh, this is the sidebar. Feature is sidebar. There is a workspace. There is a team space. There is a personal space. You can manage your own spaces according to your custom need. So when you are a workspace owner or admin, so you can create custom assistants for your entire company. So I have created one assistant here, is a product naming pro, but I will explain like how to create the assistant first. So here is a one option, create assistant. You can just go and click here, and it will ask you three things now or currently. One is assistant name, description, and then instructions. So let me just copy it quickly from here to save time. So we are going to create a email extractor assistant. So the role of it will be like something, you have a very long text and it includes multiple email addresses. So it will extract certain email addresses from that given prompt. And I am going to give a name email extractor. Okay. So good part here is that here is the instruction you can provide to this assistant, and this instruction you can provide anything long text from your custom data from any file and something. Uh, there is an advanced configuration coming soon in this assistant, which will allow you to upload files or connect your data sources to Slack, Notion, Google Drive, and etc. This instruction will remain private. Only you, the creator, will know about it. When your team member will get access to to this assistant, so they will never get to know what is the instruction given to this assistant behind the scene.
Oh, wow.
So
So,
yeah,
will there ever be a feature that you can allow them permission to see it, or is there a reason to not let them see the
uh,
instruction?
yeah, because it is a privacy. Like when you think about a company, right? So company would have some security or privacy concern data, which is not going to allow to read by everyone. But if you would like to offer it as a chatbot, so that is fine. So when someone asks the question, so assistant will help you to behave like this way.
Gotcha.
And some prompts are very premium prompts, so which is good to not. Offer to
Sh-
everyone.
Share everybody. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's create our first assistant here. And here we go. You can see in this sidebar, the email extractor is here. Now let's talk with email extractor. So this is the description we have given to this extractor. Like I am your email extractor and I will help you to extracting the emails from the long form of text. So I have ready-made prompt, so we can save time. So let's ask something like I have a long form and it contains multiple email addresses here, and let's see how it behaves. So we have option to choose multiple models, like which model we would like to go with this. But let's keep it GPT-4o, and let's enter 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So
Wow.
from given this, okay. So given this prompt, I had given this prompt, and from this prompt, you can see these multiple email addresses. It had extracted and written in the response. So that's how we can leverage the benefit of assistant directly. So every time, each member will not have to enter the same instructions again and again. It is a context aware, so when you select the email extractor, so it will know its job perfectly, like what the instructions has been given to them, and accordingly it will behave and return the responses to you. So let's take another example. I have already created a one product naming pro assistant. So you will give the ideas to this assistant and it will create beautiful names around it for your product. So I have a ready-made prompt for it too. So it's something like I'm building a wearable wireless uh, headphone, something like this. It will have the batteries and other features. So I'm giving this idea to this prompt, this assistant, and I will wait uh, for the response. Cool. So yeah, so based on the description of my idea, it has written at the multiple names of my product, wearable product.
You could share these on any of the workspaces on AI Camp
Yes, this is currently at a workspace level. So every assistant will remain within the workspace. So every member of the workspace,
of the
when you
workspaces
go to
access. Yeah.
settings and when you go to the people, so every people of this workspace will have access to this assistant directly. Anyone from the workspace can use it.
Okay. And if anyone's missed day one of launch week, we kind of went over the team collaboration feature of AI Camp. So,
Yes.
but this is great. This is excellent stuff. It's almost like having you could use it to help speed up the workflow, guide the team collaboration where they always need a template, the prompt, or you could use it as kind of like AI VAs, virtual assistants, where you have
Absolutely.
tasks and you don't have to hire as many people. Maybe you just have the AI assistant. You have all these AI assistants at AI Camp.
Yes. So the many company has now this practice is being implemented in many companies. Like they create their own prompts, the premium prompts based on their the niche needs, and there are some people who are only working on creating a super rich prompt for their own uses, and they are sharing those prompts with the internal team members so they can leverage the benefit of AI quickly. They will not have to work again and again on the same prompt. So for those in that use case, that people can create a multiple AI assistants based on their premium instructions as a prompt, and then every team members can leverage the benefit of having the assistant in a collaborative way.
Yeah, you could have an AI assistant for each client, for their
Yeah.
brand, their voice. It definitely organizes a lot of the chaos when you have all these different clients in different niches. And you actually, I've learned, I don't know about other people, with using AI and making your own custom, AI custom GPTs and using this assistant, you learn more about the industry because you're prompting it and it's kind of teaching you. You can answer questions to, what about this industry that you don't know about. So you have all these little experts that you created using AI. It's pretty cool.
Absolutely. So there are a couple of features we are thinking around it, like someone can create their own assistant and they can make it public, so the entire community can leverage the benefit of the ready-made assistants. But
That's great.
it is still in under plan, so we will think around it, and maybe we can build also.
Maxime has a great. Is there a token limit for the system prompt for GPT models? Are the instructions sent as system instruction, for instance? Does it work the same way for Claude? Never use Claude API.
Yes, it will work the same way with the cloud, because now the OpenAI model are being the industry standard, and the SDKs they are providing, the other AI providers are also accepting the same standards. So that is a good for the entire community of AI builders. So no one will have to integrate different things for the different models and providers. So yes, if it will work for the OpenAI, it will work for the Gemini as well. It will work for the Cloud as well.
Yeah, Maxime, you gotta try Claude. It's great. The API.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. I think
Yeah.
4.0, GPT 4.0 and Claude are my two favorite. Claude Opus. Do you notice which ones are being used the most? Have you heard, like, is it the GPT 4.0 the most popular, or?
Yeah, so GPT-4o is kind of direct to the context. Like whatever you ask, it will give you the response based on clear ways, like no other extra information. But
Yeah.
when you need something generic or information more than you are expecting small instructions, then I think Cloud is better. It also explains like why this information is useful to you. Like for example, we have given the prompt to let me share the same thing again. Like I'm going to share my screen again, and this is models.
I love
And
this section. I love how you made this section. I hope everyone copies this. No, don't copy AICamp, but it's beautiful.
yeah, so we one another announcement is that today we have launched the Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. A couple of days ago, it is just launched by the Anthropic, so it's now available in AICamp also. So let's go back and select this. We are going to SAM prompt. This was the prompt we have given to the GPT, all right, with this assistant, and it only gives the email addresses extraction. Now let's do one experiment. We are going to give the same prompt to the Cloudy. I'm copying it. Let copy, and I'm going to create a new chat. Let me add email extractor, and I'm going to change the model to 3.5 Sonnet. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah, it does.
It's yes. It's
But it
working
works.
with about yes 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o.
I love using Claude for like, I'll go with the GPT first 4.0 or the previous 4, and then I'll rewrite in Claude. I think Claude tweaks copy. It humanizes it a bit more. It flows a little better. Just writes better. But yeah, my workhorse has been 4.0 recently, and I'm happy with it. But I have to try the other ones, the Gemini. I know you
Absolutely.
said you like that one as well, right?
Yes, yes. So in my practice, I use for the non-programming jobs like creating, summarizing the content, and for the programming part, I use cloud.
Okay. Okay. Very cool. So that's exciting. So the AI assistant, for the people that have been waiting for it, they should be happy now that it's coming. And I'm gonna go test it out and play with it, this week, and see how it goes. But
Absolutely.
that was
Sure, Jay.
great demonstration. And what are we gonna be discussing tomorrow? We have day 3 coming up.
Tomorrow is going to be the day for the AI extensions.
Day It's
Day
a day.
3.
Yeah.
Extensions. All right. So we can learn more about that. And then everyone make sure you have your questions ready for that one tomorrow. It should be good. And thanks, Nishjit, for doing another great demo. You're good. You're quick. You're fast. You just explain it. You explain it very easy that I can understand, which is great. And I see you have a whiteboard behind you or something. Do you write a lot of plan everything out there?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow you could use that. You could do the old days. The demos used to be with the whiteboard. They have the whiteboard and the camera, and that's it.
Yeah.
None of this StreamYard and video meets. And maybe by Friday, I'll fly over there and we'll do it all together there. I'll come from New York to India, and we can have a camp session. A camp. We'll do it outside and have tents.
Definitely.
Come on, it's AI camp. We need a camp.
Sure, we will do it for sure, definitely one day.
We definitely one day. Or you guys could come to New York. We'll do it here. Well, thanks, Shreya. Thanks, Nishjit.
Yeah.
Awesome. Anything else you want to touch on before we go?
I think everything has been covered up in this conversation, but let's join tomorrow same time to explore the extensions part.
Yeah, can't wait. All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day and evening. Bye.
Good day.